I'm sorry, ma'am. We couldn't source Beluga in time, but our standard of care never changes.
This cabin crew lady. She's iconic. Oh, the lighting here is so harsh.
And where's the organic gluten-free sparkling water I requested?
Do something! My Gucci bag is getting ruined!
Just maybe if you did not insist on bringing the dog.
Oh, come here, little one. Come on, come here. Tata! Tata, come here. Oh my, you're yelling at me because of a common flight attendant? All she does is serve tea and coffee all day, all night. What?
You're just doing too